sound and say the word. Listen carefully and repeat after me. S, at, sat. S, it, sit. S, it, sip. T, it, tip. T, a, p, tap. S, a, p, sap. P, it, pit. P, a, t, pat. Well, say them again with me slowly. Sat, sit, sip, tip, tap, sap, pit, pat. Well done. Look and say. Now let's practice some special words we see often when we read. These are called sight words. Don't sound them out, just read them by sight. Repeat after me. The, to, I, no, go, it, in, at. Wonderful! Keep practicing these sight words every day. Now let's use the words we have learned to read sentences. Listen carefully, then read with me. I sit in the pit. I tap it. I sip it. I sat in it. I go to sit. Pat sat in the pit. I pat the pit. I sat at the tip. Great reading, everyone! You are now reading real sentences. It's time for picture reading. Look at this picture. The boy is sitting in the pit. Let's read together. I sit in the pit. Here, the boy is tapping. Read with me. I tap it. Can you see the boy sipping? Let's read. I sip it. Now he sat in the pit. Read with me. I sat in it. Here, the boy is going to sit. Read with me. I go to sit. Now, Pat sat in the pit. Say it with me. Pat sat in the pit. Look, he is patting the pit. Let's read. I pat the pit. And here, the boy sat at the tip. Read with me. I sat at the tip. Wonderful reading, everyone. You are not just sounding out words. You are reading real sentences with pictures. That's amazing. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to read even bigger stories.